We have to find the percentage composition of carbon and oxygen in the given compound carbon 4 oxide, right? Okay, so how do we do it? Now let's check the compound carbon 4 oxide, CO₂. We have one atom of carbon and two atoms of what? Of oxygen. So we're going to find the relative atomic mass of carbon divided by the relative molecular mass of the compound times 100. That would be the percentage composition of carbon. While that of oxygen will be, we're going to find the relative molecular mass of oxygen, right? And divide it by the relative molecular mass of the compound and multiply by 100. The answer will be in what? Percentage, right? So let's start. For carbon, we have one atom here times the relative atomic mass of carbon is 12. So we have 12 as the relative atomic mass of carbon. And we have oxygen here. We have two atoms, so we have 2 times the relative atomic mass of oxygen is what? Is 16. Therefore, the relative molecular mass of this oxygen here we have here is 32. Meaning that the relative molecular mass of the compound carbon 4 oxide is 12 plus 32, which is 44. We can now find the percentage composition of each element. So percentage composition of carbon, let's start with carbon, of carbon is what? Is going to be 12 over 44. Relative atomic mass of carbon over relative molecular mass of the compound times 100, and the answer will be in percentage. If you divide here, you will have 0.27 multiplied by 100, and the answer will be in percentage. If you play for that, you will have 27%. So meaning that the percentage composition of oxygen will be 100 minus what? 27. That would be 73%. But let's do it this way, the way we did it here, right? So percentage composition of oxygen, what will it be? It's going to be 32 all over 44 times 100. Of course, it will be in percentage. If you play with the fraction you have here, you're going to have 0.73. This to two decimal places, to two what? Decimal places, times 100. It will be in percentage. And when you multiply here, you have 73%. So here we have the percentage composition of carbon and the percentage composition of what? Of oxygen in the compound carbon 4 oxide. So we have more of oxygen, right, than carbon. Very cheap.